This is Hauser Maple 0.7 mechanical pencil. This pencil cost rupees 50. Comes with a free lead box, cost rupees 5 with 10 leads, says the pack. The leads were dark in its impression. Fantastic design. Mild colors. This pencil is having a metal body. Even the clip design is unique with a metal. Small eraser at the top. Bit bulky pencil in its design. The lid and the metal part near the tip goes inside only. Press it hardly. This is the mechanism used in this pencil. We are impressed with the dark color of this lid. Nice pencil in this price point rupees 50 with a metal body, dark colored lead and not an easy to break lead. Nice pencil in this price point rupees 50 with dark color impression. Thanks for watching.